Current contractual law or business law applicable to the business companies as well as transactions of businesses with individuals. Anyone below 18 cannot enter into a legal contract to obtain any services or to offer any payment for such services. So in this, however, in Sri Lanka, school children below the age of 18 often have phones, mobile phones. So now these phones, how these mobile companies like Dialog, Mobitel, Hutch, and Airtel, etc. So how these mobile companies provides handphones or mobile phones to school children below 18 years of age is a must be investigated, because it's a violation of the law of the country. So even though we have a law saying that the age of majority is 18, and as per the Sri Lankan law and the international law, it's only after the age of majority a person can enter into a legal contract. But in Sri Lanka, business contracts are allowed even for children below 18 years old. So this matter must be taken up by the National Child Protection Authority with the Telecommunication Regulatory Authority of Sri Lanka, and hereafter not to give personal phones to school children below 18, because that results in unauthorized use. Sometimes missed calls come and they pursue and call back the missed call, and sometimes unwanted on the social media, using the various accounts, pictures are manipulated from abroad. So these things must be stopped. So in order to do that, the best option would be to to prohibit the access to children below 18 any mobile phones as per our law. And parents don't often care. They give the mobile phones to their children, and maybe sometimes they obtain it under their name and they hand it over to the children. This is a big problem. So I think the best solution would be to, in this case, to do the online education. Since mobile phones are used for online education purposes, I think that won't be feasible, because mobile phones once used, for online education, these telephone calls are coming, and also various other, immoral things happen using the mobile phones for children below 18 is a major question. So I think this must be scrapped, and the system must be stopped immediately, and there must be a program to offer tabs to all school children, disregarding the age, and the university children, in order to pursue their, and the vocational institutes children, and also college students, to tabs which without SIMs, or without any voice call possibility, using any other software in the tab, only to access the the in the tab they must be allowed access only to the a particular given website where they can do their studies online. Because if they are given universal access to all websites on a tab, they can access the social media, and this results in exploitation further. So I think the tabs must be specifically specially like designed and built to only access a particular web server. In Sri Lanka, the relevant web servers, according to the Ministry of Education, and then do the online education without any access to any other email or Google or any other whatsoever, or even without pop-up advertisements coming during the sessions, or any other disturbances during the online study process.